Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Tech and Web.
Looking to upgrade your home security in 2025? Video doorbells are now smarter, faster, and more reliable than ever, offering HD video, two-way talk, motion detection, and real-time alerts straight to your phone. Whether you're at home, at work, or on vacation, these devices let you see and speak to visitors from anywhere. With AI-powered features and seamless app integration, today's top video doorbells do more than just ring. They protect your peace of mind. Let's dive into the top 5 best video doorbells in 2025 that are making homes safer and smarter this year. Number 1. Tapo by TP-Link Smart Video Doorbell Camera. Upgrade your home security effortlessly with the Tapo by TP-Link Smart Video Doorbell Camera D210. Featuring stunning 2K resolution, full-color night vision, and built-in spotlights, it ensures you never miss a detail, day or night. With a 160-degree ultra-wide view, you'll see packages, visitors, and activity clearly from head to toe. Unlike many competitors, it offers free AI detection and local storage, meaning no monthly fees. Easy to install and packed with smart features, this doorbell is your front line of defense and convenience. Number 2. Ring Battery Doorbell. Upgrade your home security effortlessly with the Tapo by TP-Link Smart Video Doorbell Camera D210. Featuring stunning 2K resolution, full-color night vision, and built-in spotlights, it ensures you never miss a detail, day or night. With a 160-degree ultra-wide view, you'll see packages, visitors, and activity clearly from head to toe. Unlike many competitors, it offers free AI detection and local storage, meaning no monthly fees. Easy to install and packed with smart features, this doorbell is your front line of defense and convenience. Number 3. Arlo Video Doorbell 2. Looking for dependable home security with clear, head-to-toe visuals? The Arlo Video Doorbell 2K second generation delivers ultra-crisp 2K HDR video and a wide 180-degree field of view, perfect for spotting packages, visitors, and everything in between. Enjoy easy setup with wired or battery power options, plus built-in siren and smooth two-way audio for instant interaction on your phone. Advanced features like activity zones, smart motion alerts, and visitor messaging are available via the Arlo Secure subscription, extending functionality further. Number 3. ClipBlur 1080p Wireless Video Doorbell Camera. Want smart home protection without breaking the bank? This 1080p wireless video doorbell camera packs all the essentials: clear full HD video, color night vision, and real-time two-way talk into a compact battery-powered design. With AI human detection, you'll get smarter alerts only when someone's really there. No more false alarms from squirrels or wind-blown leaves. It connects over 2.4G Wi-Fi and comes with a doorbell receiver, so you'll never miss a visitor, even if your phone is in the other room. Number 5. AOSU Doorbell Camera Wireless. Looking for a smarter, clearer, and more secure way to answer your door? The AOSU wireless doorbell camera delivers a full head-to-toe view, ensuring you never miss a visitor or a package again. With intelligent package detection and smart human alerts, it notifies you only when it matters most. Compatible with Alexa and Google Assistant, this doorbell easily fits into your smart home setup. It includes a chime and supports local storage, so there are no monthly fees. Easy to install and packed with premium features, AOSU is a powerful upgrade for modern home security.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more.